Friends, subscribe my channel and turn on the bell icon so you're not gonna miss any upcoming effective simple home remedies.
Friends, in that video I'm going to share with you in just 2 minutes remove unwanted hair permanently, remove facial hair and body hair naturally with very simple ingredients. If you follow these steps, you will get rid permanently of unwanted hair and you will get smooth skin naturally. The first ingredient we need to add is a little pinch of turmeric powder, يعني كي healthy. Then we need to add on it 1 teaspoon of baking soda and mix well the dry ingredients. Then we need to add on it around 1 teaspoon of natural milk, Once we mix the ingredients very well with an aid of cotton ball, get the remedy like so on the cotton ball and massage the skin with it to remove the unwanted hair permanently. Repeat this every day in order to get rid permanently of the unwanted hair, and you will get rid permanently of the unwanted hair naturally. If the hair is thick and heavy, you will need to apply this remedy several times in order to get rid of the unwanted hair. The hair will fall off naturally and you will get rid permanently of the unwanted hair. Every time the hair will grow thinner than before until you get rid permanently of the unwanted hair. I hope that video will help you too, my friends. Don't forget, subscribe my channel, turn on the bell icon to never miss effective remedies, leave a nice comment and give that video a big like, and I will see you in my next video. I love you guys.
So that was it, guys, today. Thank you for watching. I hope the video will help you, and if you like the video, please subscribe for more content. I'm trying to upload for you very cool beauty ideas, and also like those. That will help me a lot, and I'll see you in my next video. I love you.